everyone, good morning. We are back from the cabin. It is August 25th. So we are loaded up. We're gonna go to Georgetown Lake for a couple days, a couple nights. Just me and Teresa and the puppies. So yesterday was on a fire just for the day. And that is the Sharrott fire, which is right over there. Right above it is St. Mary's Peak. But the drainage that is in, is what they named it, the Sharrott fire. So, taking the fishing boat. Like I said, going to Georgetown Lake. It's been a while since I fished there. Which reminds me, I need to grab a few more things. So, we'll be on the road here momentarily.
crazy, something so heavy you can just.
It's just sitting on that branch teasing them.
Squirrel dogs, they are not.
They are not. How's camp?
Camp is very nice.
Yeah.
Show 'em.
Okay. We're at Georgetown Lake. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's quiet. That's our setup. Our boat's already in the water. We're ready to go fishing tomorrow. Nice bonfire tonight. Some card games, maybe some Farkle.
Yep, you got it.
Maybe I might actually win a game or two tonight. Who knows?
Maybe. Here we are. Roaring campfire.
Well, it's gonna be.
Can you see it?
It will be.
Here's the flame. So yeah, we went down, checked on the boat. Wyatt and his dad were fighting down there.
Oh gosh.
Wyatt was floating away and throwing a fit, and then Dad was throwing a fit. So.
We don't know them.
Yeah, we don't know them.
But it was just drama at the boat launch. Drama at the boat launch. There's always drama at the boat launch.
There is. So we came back to camp. So the potatoes are in the oven. We got steaks up here that are seasoned up. We got one of our trusted dogs here. It's Billy. Hi, Billy. And then Ellie. Where is she?
She's on high alert. She's watching for squirrels.
Oh, she's over there.
She's always on squirrel alert.
She is our squirrel dog.
Yep.
So in case there's a venomous squirrel out there, she's gonna get it.
Yep. She's on top of it.
So anyway, we'll film here and there. Show you the steaks. It's not Walsh Farms beef, but I've seen these buggers. We just had to pull the trigger on it. So anyway, we'll catch up later. Well, we didn't film dinner or us cooking it or us devouring it.
We devoured it.
It's the first meal. It was the first meal we've had today. I had a few snacky stuff. So
Good, so good.
anyway, just sitting here enjoying the fire, and little Billy needs attention, just like normal. It's getting a little chilly out.
Yeah.
And I just brought shorts. So
I just have this.
we're getting excited to crawl into that camper and test
Snuggle
everything
in.
out
And fish tomorrow.
and fish tomorrow. So anywho, hope you guys had a great day. Hope you had a great weekend. Ours is just starting again. So we'll check in tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone. God, is it Sun? No, it has to be Monday. It's Monday now. Sorry. These guys just moved in this morning. These two moved in last night. And here we are. There's Ellie. Hey. We are. Teresa's making sandwiches. Or I guess it's a sandwich, but it's, what do you call that? King's Hawaiian?
Yeah, King's Hawaiian. You just put it back on the package. Right? So good.
With turkey and cheese and
Lettuce.
lettuce. I just collected a little more firewood. There's Billy. Hi, Billy. Hi. Hi. Let's give her a pat. Let's give Eddie a pat. Yeah. So, yeah. More wood for later. Card table. Yeah. Very relaxing. We've been just kind of chilling out. It's probably close to noon now. Took a while for it to warm up. Got a little cold last night. We were cozy inside, but by the time we decided to get up, it was probably 7-ish. I turned the heat on. It was a little crispy inside. So anyway, camper, all in all, very solid. So we are getting ready to go out on the boat and go fishing. So yeah, hold on for that. Well, the wind's blowing. Wherever we're at, the wind's gonna blow. You can guarantee that. So the mountain range here, that's the Pintlers. It's very pretty. And what you can't really see, well, you can see a couple places here, which are huge, but not into comparison of what's around the corner. Unfortunately, this lake is overrun by probably people that aren't from Montana.
Big money.
Probably. and some very, very big money. There's Teresa. She's right there. How many fish have you caught?
I haven't had a bite.
I had one bite,
I don't know this lake.
but we haven't caught anything. So, dogs are having fun. Billy, you having fun?
This
Yeah.
is really a great spot.
It is a great spot. Our camp, that's where we launched the boat, straight across. Our camp is up in there. So, in the trees. Nestled in the trees. So, anyway. Oh, there's a dude over here fishing. Yeah, he's not catching anything either. So, anyway. Anything exciting, we'll turn you back on. Good morning. Whew. Out of breath, sorry. It is Tuesday, I believe. Not sure of the date. The only thing that we caught was me, and I caught a cold. So we are, and I'm being quiet because it's still morning in the campground, getting everything loaded up and arranged. And then we're gonna go get the boat, put it on the trailer, bring it back up, and then get everything stowed. So anyway, that's it. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it is it is Wednesday. I just got done dumping the camper into our own clean out we had put into the house. My buddy David stopped by. He bought some the rest of our honey for us for a buddy of his. So and got some corn, got some zucchini, and tomatoes for him. So yeah, it was a good little visit with him. Looking forward to the hunting season that's coming up with him and my brother James and my buddy Sean, all the brothers together. So yeah, let me get this camper straightened out. We're gonna just put it here and continue the clean out process. You can tell I'm still fighting the cold. So anyway, let's get busy doing this. All right. Kind of bouncing all over the place today. Having a hard time focusing on one thing. Probably because I'm sick. So we'll finish the camper later. Right now, excuse me, there's a frost warning tonight, so I need to go pick whatever cucumbers are left ready. Excuse me. There. Pick whatever cucumbers are ready, and yeah, probably make some pickles, refrigerator pickles. So maybe I'll show you how to do that. What do you guys think? You want me to? Yeah? Okay, hold on. Figured I'm out here. May as well feed Buster a few corn stalks. One of their favorite treats. You can hear Emmy up there mooing. Oh, there's the cats. Cats came down to say hi. And we got either I Don't Care or Rita coming up. Kootenai behind. There's Cannon and the two moms. So, what do you think, Buster? Good stuff? Oh goodness, whatever. Buster's way of communicating. Something to be said about just watching cows eat. Is that good, Rita? Hey, you'd be nice. A little pain in the ass sometimes. There's Coots. He, he's looking rough. Poor guy. Anyway, I'm gonna call this good for tonight out here. Oh, the dogs came down to see me too. Hi, doggies. Hi, Ellie. So we'll throw them. Oh, look at this tomatillia. My brother had to tell me what they were. Things going gangbusters. Tomatoes are gangbusters. Corn's ready. Most of it anyway. Some of the stuff isn't very big, so that's all right. Cow food. So let's go inside and carry on. Forgot to tell you guys, Teresa got a few more ducks. There's the OGs. Got some, I don't know what they're called, ducks. Got some ducks over there. They're getting closer to each other, so anyway, that's the haul we got. 3 pieces of corn. There's more out there. I just don't want to pick all. Plus there's not a whole lot left. I want to kind of spread it out so the cows can enjoy it too. So anywho, that is it. We're heading inside now, so here we go. All right, so got the house cleaned up kind of, except for this stuff that I'm staring at. That'll just go right there for now. So pickles, you need cucumbers, dill. I put garlic in mine. You can do whole or you can do sliced. Red pepper flakes, because I like heat. Canning salt, distilled white vinegar, and water. And that's it. So I'll set you up and we will proceed. What do you guys think? Okay, we're finished, kinda. So made 3 pints, excuse me, 1 pint and 3 quarts. So you notice that the cucumber, I don't know what they're called, the insides, I gutted them. Because I don't like that seedy part. It takes away from the crunch of the pickle. And man, I have tried lots of recipes. This one seems to be the best for what I like. So the vinegar, you guys seen, it was half full, so I actually just put the salt. I'm talking probably a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending on how salty you like it. And then the measurement from there, vinegar, water, is even. So 1 cup to 1 cup ratio. I've tried it with more vinegar, and man, talk about a pucker factor. But if that's the way you like it, then do it that way. But I'm hoping that is enough to do all of these, because I've already added the water and the salt to this. So now I'm just kind of shaking it around, waiting for that salt to dissolve, and it looks like it pretty much has. Yeah, I don't see any left in there. So then we'll top them off, make sure everything's covered. I like to take it right to about there to make sure everything is covered. Then when you're doing these, pack them tight. And I mean, you can put in more heat. You can put in more of the pepper if that's the way you want it. You can put more garlic in if that's the way you want it. I actually put in a couple more slivers of garlic, because garlic is your friend. So anyway, gonna fill these up like I said. We'll cap them, give them a vigorous shake, probably for the next hour or two. I'll just leave them out on the counter and shake them vigorously, probably every 15-20 minutes. And then after that, you just put them in the fridge. And you know, they kind of, the recipe that I got, they say it lasts about a month, but it lasts longer than that. Really, it's really acidity, whole lot of acid in it with the vinegar. So I'm not a scientist, but that helps you not get sick. So anyway, don't think that I know what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how I do it and how I like them. So anyway, I think we're gonna put the video together after this. Didn't film much of the Joe trip. We had a good time. Kind of a bummer. Our ski boat, the love of our life, our ski nautique, ran for a day, and then the fuel pumps started not getting any current to it. So we pulled it out, and I winterized it again, and that's going to be a spring project. So unfortunately, didn't get to ski. That's a bummer. I know Teresa and the boys, Miles and Austin, were bummed. But, you know, hey, that's life. So anyway, tomorrow, I've got to finish cleaning the camper, and then the loafing shed. Saturday we had big wind, and it actually flipped over twice. And let me show you. This is the back side of our house. Remember, our grill was here, but our siding came off, 3 sheets of it. So it's sitting in the garage. We've called the people that installed it, and I'm waiting to hear back from them. So everything was just laying out over here. Sprinkler still laying down. The grill was pummeled upside down. The lid was off. It was kind of a shit show. So anyway, we'll pick all that good stuff up on the next video. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.